What's going on? What's going on? All right, so I'm just gonna clarify things. What's going on right now between Haiti and Dominican Republic? There's a lot of people that have been asking me, "Well, yo, what's going on, bro? That's all. There's always a problem between those countries. They live. It's one island. Like yeah, da 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 da." All right, so this is what's going on. This is what I understand. What's going on? It's a river. They call it Dahabun. It's a river that goes to between Haiti and the Dominican Republic, right? Before this river called Dahabun, it called Massacre River. It's like some people might say they call it this way because the Spanish killed 30 French soldiers. That was before before slavery. And then what's going on? Haiti. Haiti was like, okay, we got independence from the French, and we got to stop. We got to stop slavery too from the north, which is Dominican Republic. So they went and fought for Dominicans. They kicked the Spanish out, and then they went back to Haiti. And then Spanish came back. So then Haiti went back to Dominican Republic side and then kicked Spanish out of Dominican Republic. So that was second time. Then Haiti stays there for 22 years. For 22 years, there was no facts, but there was no historian that says Haitian, mistreated Dominicans when they were in Dominican Republic for 22 years. I'm pretty sure there's something might happen because when people got too much power, they may have done something that's not okay. Maybe have sex or not grape. I don't know. I'm pretty sure there might be something, but the idea to say that Haitian enslaved Dominican Republic, that's not true. I'm pretty sure they did something horrible, like probably force them, like tell them what to do, stuff like that. Maybe have sex, and that's probably why they're upset. They say during those 22 years, Haitian mistreated Dominican Republic Dominicans, but I might say there might be some truth to it, but I don't know. I'm not sure. And then what happened to Trujillo? It was half Haitian and half Dominican. I think he didn't like that he was black, and then he went on a killing spree, killing at least like 20,000 Haitian at the river. And they said he killed so many Haitian that the river turned out to be completely red, like the color of red. That's how the river looks like. The water just like change color. So that's why they call it Massacre River, because it was a killing spree down there. So that happened, right? Boom. And then they closed the border, stuff like that. They opened it up, I think, during 1989 or something. I don't remember. So, but in 1929, there was a treaty that was signed between both countries that both countries could use the water to benefit their countries. So for so long, Dominican government been using the water. They have using the water for like, I don't even know, but it's been a long time. And they use it like 11 different sides of the water, like 11 sites. They have 11 canal from the river to use to have agriculture farmers to use, to have food. So come down to 2023, now Haiti was like, man, we gotta do the same thing that Dominican do, and then use the water for our own. And then Dominican government was like, nah, you can't do that. But you cannot tell the Haitian government what to do on their lands. Like, that's crazy. And the water is for both countries. Like, how you gonna tell me I can't use it while you use it like 11 different parts of the water? So that's the problem. So I understand the reason why. It's because Dominican government makes $1 billion every year of Haiti. So I guess if Haiti start using the water, they're gonna be self-sufficient. So pretty much you're not gonna be rely on Dominican government no more for food. So Dominican government is like, okay, now if Haiti becomes self-sufficient, we can't control them no more. We cannot make money off them no more. Now it's a problem. That's what's going on right now, because Haiti wanted to use the water, and then it becomes a big problem because Dominicans don't like that. And then you could see there's so many Dominicans that's like, man, you cannot do that, bro. Like, you use the water too. Why they cannot use the water as well? Because the water divided the country. So why they cannot use it? And there's farmers right now that's like, so upset at the president, the Dominican president, because they're not making money, because they sell everything to Haiti. The money they make, the farmers, the eggs, all these people, they make money off Haiti, because that's where they sell all those things, the bananas, the tomatoes, all those things. Now you close the border because you're upset that Haiti is trying to use only one side of the water. You got upset, you say, okay, I'm gonna close the border, I'm gonna stop all the visa, I'm not gonna let anybody go in Dominican Republic. Any Haitian that are trying to come in, it's a problem. Haiti was like, well, it's whatever, boy. We're still gonna use the water because it's for both country. I think tomorrow on Thursday, they trying to have a sit down. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know for sure the Haitian not gonna back down, and as well the Dominican government. And the funny thing is just like the Dominican government is not backing down, but it's not the Haitian government that's not backing down, it's the Haitian population. that's crazy. And then Dominicans send military to the side, to stop them. But Haiti was like, boy, we don't even need weapons to fight you, boy. We don't even need weapons to fight you. If you come in, it's a problem. If you're trying to stop them, it's the problem. Boy, that's crazy. Hey, it's Haitian population, they stay at the border where they doing the canal thing. They stay there all night long, waiting for the military guys to act. And they have no weapon and right now you might see some Haitian police, but they don't have weapons to fight Dominican military, because the US doesn't want Haiti to have a military. That's why they're not selling us weapons, heavy machinery. Anyway, man, that's what I could say about the situation right now. I hope you understand what's going on. Feel free to comment.